Hi everyone, and welcome to Gadgets Beast. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 5 gadgets that everyone needs to have to take care of their body. These gadgets are all designed to help you stay healthy, fit, and looking your best. Let's get started! GHD has upped the ante with their latest hair tech offering. The GHD Duet Style is a 2-in-1 styler, which dries your hair while it straightens it without causing any more damage than a hairdryer alone would. That's a big plus for anyone who likes straight glossy hair, but dislikes frazzling. Looking like a set of wide, high-end hair straighteners that have been seriously hitting the gym, GHD has combined the best of their hot air drying known as convection knowledge with their heated plate smoothing that work with conduction into one device. At $399, they're undeniably high-end, but do work out cheaper than buying a professional GHD dryer and GHD straightener separately. Are you tired of painful, razor-cut hair removal? The Crystal Hair Eraser is a gentle, eco-friendly way to remove unwanted hair from any part of your body. It uses microtechnology to gently exfoliate the skin and remove hair at the root without any pain or irritation. The Crystal Hair Eraser is also reusable and durable, so you can use it for years to come. It doesn't require too much pressure to circling, otherwise efficiency will decrease. The Crystal Hair Remover is made of a smooth glass surface that is gentle on the skin. It is easy to use and can be used on any part of the body, including the face, legs, arms, and bikini area. The Crystal Hair Remover is reusable and can last for years. It is also eco-friendly as it does not use any disposable blades or cartridges. The Crystal Hair Remover can help to slow down hair growth over time. It is a good option for people with sensitive skin. It's a powerful 360 degrees rotating roller head that automatically runs at high speed to efficiently remove stubborn dead skin and rough horny skin. It has 2 adjustable speeds, 1,700 rotations per minute when low speed and 2,000 revolutions per minute when high speed, which are applicable to different dead skins and calluses. It also comes with 4 replacement grinding heads with different levels of roughness, 2 fine roller for daily foot care, 2 other rough roller for troublesome crack callus. T is also IPX7 waterproof and can be used in the shower and can be washed or rinsed under running water. It is compact and portable, making it easy to carry around. Electric Foot Callus Remover have built-in rechargeable 1200 mAh battery, full charging only 1 hour, can last 100 minutes running. It also comes with a USB charging cable for easy charging. It is designed with LED light, which means you won't miss any dead skin, even when you use it in low light areas. You can find the link to the product in the bio below, or you can find it in the first comment. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.